know, we all have this inner desire for a home that feels like more than just four walls and a roof. We want a space that actually reflects who we are. That's why we started Lumbergran. It started as just an idea in 2023, but by 2024, we had officially launched with one goal in mind: to bring a sense of harmony into your daily life. We see them as a way to bridge the gap between the busy world outside and the peaceful environment you want to create inside. We want to help you move past just getting by and start building a home where you truly feel at peace. We believe the tabletop is the heart of the home. It's the place where we gather and connect. To make that happen, our team handpicks 100% premium solid wood for every single piece. We've really focused on 3 different styles that speak to different personalities. First, there's our natural wood. It's timeless because we let the wood's own story shine through. You can see exactly how it grew over its life. If you want something more structured and clean, our butcher block is refined and perfect for everyday use. But if you want a real conversation piece, that's our epoxy work. It's bold, it's artistic, and it's where organic wood meets a really fluid modern design. Whether you need a coffee table or a full-size dining set, we build them to last. But a great table needs a foundation that's just as impressive as the top. At Lumbergran, we specialize in unique, one-of-a-kind designs that you simply won't find anywhere else. Lumbergran is a brand that is built on being fresh, creative, and completely original. We took heavy-duty steel and turned it into something that looks like a living sculpture. Take the Craig base as an example. It's made of 2 arches that look like the heart of a butterfly, depending on how you look at it. Or the Looper with its cool infinity design. We've got the Blossom, which looks like a flower in flight, and the Waves, where the steel arches catch the light perfectly. Even our simpler designs like the Frost, Nook, and Manta, they also have that elegant edge. These aren't just pretty though. They're finished in a tough matte black that resembles scratches and rust, and they're rated to hold over 1,000 pounds. Plus, we've made assembly so easy that most people have their table ready in under 20 minutes. What I am most proud of is how we work with you. We know that picking the right table is a big deal, so our design experts are here to walk you through every single step, from picking the right size to planning your order. You can also visualize our product in your space with our AR feature. If you have a specific dream in mind, we offer custom services to bring it to life. We'll even provide 3D drawings before we start building so you can see exactly how it's going to look in your room. Craftsmanship is at the heart of everything we do. And honestly, your satisfaction is what matters most to us. We want to make it easier than ever for you to find that perfect centerpiece. So reach out to us and let's build something beautiful together.